Hi, my name is Taro Okuyama, and welcome to Ricoh stand here at ISE 2019. Here, we have our latest 86-inch interactive whiteboard with our latest solution installed, where you can achieve a super efficient meeting by having access to your personal Office 365 information. So please imagine what kind of struggle you have during the meeting. For example, you walk into the room, you want to show your laptop on the screen, but you have lots of cables lying around the table, and you have no idea which one to connect. Or after connecting a cable, you get an undesired resolution on the screen. Perhaps a cool wireless technology might be a solution, but are they easy for everybody to use? At least not for me. So with this solution, we can solve these kinds of struggles. So let me show you how it works. When you turn the power on, a welcome screen will show up, guiding you to authenticate using your IC card. So when I swipe my badge, I can easily unlock the welcome screen, and it's going to identify myself and start retrieving information from my personal Outlook calendar. Here you can see every attendees and attachment on the right side. So when I select the attachment, it's going to soon show up on the screen. And if I want to show something additional, I can also open up my personal Outlook folder and select a file. So in this way, we don't even have to bring a laptop. We can walk up to the room and start our presentation all within our whiteboard. And the whiteboard is not a display tool, but a collaboration tool. So once we have the material on the screen, we can easily make annotation on it or share it with remote locations. So after you finish the meeting, you'll have every content with lots of handwritings on it. So what do you want to do next? Of course, you want to save it or share it. And that's what we can achieve within our whiteboard again. Once again, I can open up my personal OneDrive folder and save it there. Another option is to use the email sending function. Thanks to the fact that our interactive whiteboard already knows every attendee information which was retrieved from my Outlook calendar, they're all set as a default sending destination. So you don't have to type in manually or you don't have to search through your address book. Just press OK and the meeting content will be shared to every attendees. So in a nutshell, that's how you can achieve a super efficient meeting. Every workflow can be done within our whiteboard. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to learn more about Ricoh, do not hesitate to visit our website, ricoh.com. Thanks again.